Alright guys, here comes to the interesting part because we are coder, we're going to write code. Godot, Godot is using like a Godot script. You can just sort of treat this as really similar to Python because I prefer like write Python a lot of times. I even write Python right now for my data science project as well as a machine learning project. So it's really great language, it's a really high level language, and Godot, something like this, it's really similar. So let's try this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to just to write some script by clicking here. So attach a new existing script to the selected node. Okay, you click it, you create it, and yeah. By the way, I previously always write in Unity. So a quick word about the difference between Unity and Godot. In Unity, when you got like a game object, say the player, that's right, you can attach a lot of that, like jumper, the controller, all that C# script to a specific object. But in Godot, you can only add one script to one object, so that's a huge difference. Okay, you have to keep in mind. So just to make all these functions separated. So one node just to solve one problem. But it's really it's really simple if you like think about this. Okay, so I'm going to a language Godot script. Yeah, so GDScript, Godot script, just a script language like Python, and inherits. So basically, it's like inherits. So basically, extend functionality of Node 2D. That's good because we're making a 2D game. We got specific paths, all that. Doesn't really matter. We can just create it. Okay, so if you look at here comes to our favorite thing is the IDE. It's not like IDE, but more like an editor. So let's do this. So we extend Node 2D. That's good. Basically, the 2D is a node. Okay, and we're extending the functionality by adding the ready and adding process. So if you look here, the ready is called when the node enters the scene tree for the first time. So basically, like everything starts and you can execute the code once. And then we get the process. Process is like updating Unity. So basically, you can constantly frame by frame update things. So if you want, check the collision or but the process. If you want to do some physics stuff, you can use process physics. We'll talk about that later. Right now, let's just quickly test this. Okay, right now we can add that. Say we're going to print. Just right here. Remember, it's like a tab sensitive sort of thing, so you have to remember use tab. I'm going to print. It's real like similar to Python. So print I am ready now. So basically you run this code, you will execute this. Okay, I'm going to save this and run this and look at whether we'll print out I'm ready now. Okay, really simple, just a simple print. And let's just pause it. And process. Here comes the interesting part. You can count plus equals to 1. So basically, adding 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and I can print the counts. I should adding a bar. So this is just a basic coding. Count start from 0, and then we can adding things up. Okay, so yeah, but if I can do that, so the process. And yeah, as you can see, it's constantly updating. That's good. And of course, you can just ignore all that and write a function from scratch and